Hello, in a previous video I looked at creating this particular site. It talks about our AI chatbots, about the text-to-chat support, voice call 24/7. In AI never sleeps, it's there to take your calls, which is important. Now, you may have a specific theme and you may also want to ensure that key bits are checked and tested. Maybe you want to find out within your particular site exactly whether it's going to meet the customer requirements. In other words, what does ChatGPT consider of this site in comparison to its original instructions? Plus, will it add a little bit of text and colour to it? So, I am going into the chat section here. You'll remember this is the wording that we put in to get our reference, and this is the content that we took the prompt for bolt.new. So I am ruminate over the website that has been built and look at the needs and requirements of the customers' needs. Are there any factors we could improve the site with? Please. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that bit there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to just change the plan slightly and go into this particular copy here. So we need to just pull. So I've added a couple of extra bits to the concept of what we've got. We're going to ruminate over the website that we've actually got put together. In this case, it's this one here. We're going to look at the actual site itself, and also look at editing the theme with colours, etc. So at this stage, we click on here, and again, this is just using bolt.new. Sorry, this is using ChatGPT to make some audits or editing reviews of what might be of benefit to the site. And then we've also got information about how we can improve it, etc. So again, we've got little bits here that may be of some use in looking at the structure, etc. Now, here is the beauty. We can take this content in here, and there's a chat option there where you can actually discuss the whole lot with the app to get it to think about what ChatGPT is saying. So I will pause the video again and just add that in. So we can see as we scroll through here, we can look at the content, give it some direction, etc. But more importantly, we can at this stage go to the discuss section and get feedback. And it's actually going to look at what's already been thought through. Is this the best way we can do it? I actually like the chat options there. I think the fact that we're highlighting these three things here, and one of the things that may be of some benefit is to look at what it's doing, because it actually asks in bolt.new to implement this plan. There may be areas that need reflection on in the process of dealing with our design and layout. We may, for example, decide that we need to check our title, the brand, because we're going to be using that as the domain name for the site, etc. So again, these can be really useful to take a look at, to evolve and develop.